Understanding syncing and sourcing in PLCs. Today, we'll simplify the concepts of syncing and sourcing in PLC and industrial automation, crucial for wiring sensors and configuring digital inputs. Matching them correctly ensures your inputs detect signals properly. Tips: if you're unsure whether a PLC input is syncing or sourcing, check if it's internally tied to plus 24V or 0V. Label your wiring and document what type of input and sensor you're using. It saves a lot of troubleshooting later. Let's look at a practical example, a proximity sensor. A PNP sensor is a sourcing device. When it detects something, it sends out plus 24V on its signal wire. An NPN sensor is a syncing device. When it detects, it connects the signal wire to 0V, ground. To sum up, sourcing equals sends current, positive. Syncing equals receives current, negative. Match your PLC input types with the correct sensors, PNP with syncing inputs, NPN with sourcing inputs. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more PLC and automation tutorials, and share your experiences with sensor wiring.